So, the major function that remains inside in the list, in the Python list object, is sort. So, sort is pretty self explanatory, it just sorts the list. So, that is pretty simple actually, I mean, but it is very powerful. So, when you actually, so Python basically has a built in sort method. I think it's an implementation of the quick sort algorithm, but you don't have to code anything, you can use it straight out of the box. But when you learn C or learn computer science in your courses, you will basically learn how the algorithm works. In Python, you can use it out of the box. So, let us go in here, and we have our idle window, and we were doing the last, this is the screen from the last session that we did. And so, we have our large list, right. So, we made that large list, remember, and it is a very large list of 2000 elements. So, let us sort that list. So, what we do is just say large list dot sort, and that is it. So, now the large list is sorted. I am a bit afraid of printing all the elements in here, because if you print a large list like this, idle tends to get very sluggish. It sometimes just freezes up. So, instead of doing that, I will take advantage of the Python slicing methods and just print out 200 elements or something like that. That should be fine. Yeah, that is fine. So, if you print out thousands of elements, sometimes idle gives up. That's not what we want. So, you can see here that our little list is basically sorted. So, we have all the ones first, and all the twos then, and then all the threes and so on. So, but earlier when I printed this, just the first 10 elements, you can see that they are completely random, but now they are sorted. So, that's it basically. I mean, sort is pretty self explanatory, but well, you should know about it, because sorting a list is very useful. Also, this same method can be used in sorting a string list alphabetically. You can always look up what this sort method exactly does by going to the Python help, Python docs that I showed you earlier. Basically here you can see there is sort here. Okay, so that's it. This is a small one, but an important one nonetheless.